This is a quick guide on how to adjust the ride height of coilover suspension. There are three main components of the coilovers to be aware of when adjusting ride height: the lower casing lock ring, the lower spring seat lock ring, and the lower spring seat. Your coilovers will come with a spanner wrench to make adjustments. First, loosen the lower casing lock ring by spinning it counterclockwise. Place a match mark on the lower spring seat to help identify the number of full rotations so each side of the car can be adjusted to the same height. If raising the car, place a spanner wrench on the lower spring seat locking ring. Spinning this lock ring counterclockwise will raise the suspension up out of the lower casing. If you are lowering the car, you would need to place the spanner wrench on the lower spring seat and spin clockwise. Spinning the different rings depending on if you are raising or lowering the ride height ensures you do not alter the preset spring preload. Once adjustments have been made, tighten the lower casing lock ring. Lower the car down and check ride height. Readjust if necessary.